How to auto scroll on Instagram Reel. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Can we actually auto scroll on Instagram Reel or often also named as autoplay? Let's go ahead and check it out. For this, you can launch an Instagram application in your device. Then you can click on the Reel section to check out every reel that is present. Now to autoplay or auto scroll, what you usually have to do is just press on the three dot button next to it and you should have the option of autoplay or something similar. But as you can see, Instagram does not have this feature currently. So is it about update or is the feature not available? So here is the thing. Unfortunately, Instagram itself does not currently have a built in feature for auto scrolling reels. This means you will need to manually swipe up or swipe down to view the next reel. Hopefully, Instagram will come up with an update soon with the new introduction feature of auto scroll for our Instagram reel. This sums up the tutorial as well. We hope you found it informative and helpful to you.